It's like stovepipe / wedge.
Okay.
100%. There is a tornado on the ground.
Yes.
Yep, it's there. 100%. Still on the ground.
Cool.
Stovepipe.
This thing is like a permanent stovepipe.
Gosh.
Holy moly! Okay, I saw that. Gee.
Alright, I wasn't crazy.
We didn't think you were.
Yeah.
Nicole saw it too. So.
Yeah. Oh, now
Let's
I
go over
see.
there. Now everyone's seen
Let's
it.
get these trees out of here.
Whoa, lightning.
Of course, I was moving the camera. I still got it.
Oh my gosh, that was huge. What is is that just me, or was that like a huge
Wouldn't be
wedge?
surprised.
I mean, like a mile wide type thing.
Oh.
Do you see that?
Yes, I do.
Oh my gosh! Wow!
Well, if I recall, it was headed towards this town called Greensburg, so it's probably still a little ways ahead of us.
Okay.
It's, yeah. Oh my gosh. There's a huge monster on the ground in front of us.
Oh, dude, that's a violent tornado.
Yeah.
There's too much glare over here.
It's not that far away from us, so
It should be. You gotta be kidding me.
God, oh man, it's gonna hit Greensburg.
I wish we had a radar earlier. We would have known what to do. We could have gotten ahead of it.
That is an absolute
Wow.
monster, violent tornado. Oh, wow. That is a monster. That is an absolute monster. That is unbelievably huge.
Oh, geez, that
Is
is...
there like two? Is it?
I don't know. It's just huge, whatever it is.
There's some serious damage.
Jeez. Yeah.
God, I'm sick.
Oh my word! Did you see that?
Yes.
Go pretty slowly because we don't want to run into something.
No, I know.
There's like stuff just
Oh,
strewn
God.
everywhere.
Oh my gosh.
Man, you can really smell it too.
Yeah, you can.
What's this?
So torn up.
What's going on?
Gas, get out of here.
Oh my God.
Just go.
What?
Do you guys see this across the road?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a gas line.
Oh, that was the gas line?
We gotta get out of here.
Yeah. Look at the size of that thing. This could be a 2-mile wide tornado right here. I mean, the damage that we're seeing pretty much bears that out. Well, we knew this could happen.
Yeah, we totally
I mean-
knew this. This was not a surprise to me.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, there's 3, maybe 4. Oh, there's a wedge.
Yeah, it's been a wedge for a while.
There's a wedge. There were like 3 tornadoes east of the wedge.
Oh, wow.
Are you seeing what we're talking about?
Yeah.
It's a big
I
wedge
see
up
it
there,
now.
dude.
There's a gigantic wedge, and then other tornadoes ahead of it.
Yeah. This is unbelievable, man.